If you own AfterShokz Aeropex or Shokz OpenRun headphones, you know how crucial a dependable charging cable is. The Weishan 2-pack charging cables deliver just that, designed specifically for your bone conduction headphones. These cables ensure your devices stay powered up without the hassle of searching for the right charger. Each cable measures 3 feet, 1 meter, striking the perfect balance between length and portability. Crafted from durable TPE material, these black cables resist wear and tear, making them ideal for daily use and travel. Whether you're hitting the gym, commuting, or exploring outdoors, these cables easily fit into your bag or pocket. The pack includes 2 types of charging cords, one USB-A to magnetic connector and one USB-C to magnetic connector. This means you can charge your headphones using a variety of devices, from wall adapters and laptops to power banks and car chargers. No more worrying about finding the right port when you're on the move. The USB-C cable adds even more versatility. It supports charging from modern smartphones, tablets, and USB-C adapters, giving you flexible options wherever you go. This compatibility ensures your headphones never run out of juice, whether you're at home or away. Weishan uses premium materials to maintain consistent charging performance while reducing heat buildup. The aluminum alloy plugs resist oxidation and corrosion, guaranteeing a stable connection every time you plug in. This attention to detail protects your headphones and extends the lifespan of your cables. Compatible with a wide range of models, including AfterShokz Aeropex S800, OpenCom ASC100SG, Aeropex Mini, and Shokz OpenRun series, these cables are the perfect match for your bone conduction headphones. They're engineered to fit precisely and charge efficiently without any fuss. If you're tired of unreliable cables or juggling multiple chargers, the Weishan 2-pack magnetic charging cables offer a simple, effective solution. They combine durability, convenience, and broad compatibility in one affordable package. Worth a look if you want to keep your headphones ready for action. Try these cables when you're ready to upgrade your charging setup. With Weishan's reliable magnetic connectors and flexible USB options, you'll enjoy hassle-free charging every time. Keep your AfterShokz or Shokz headphones powered and ready for your next adventure.